Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the new program wherein we are identifying the eyes and whether the eyes are closed or open. This project is very interesting when you deal with automation in biometric. So the code is like this. It uses CV2 NumPy. We are not using DLIB. There are some many errors which comes in our way when we use DLIB. So this is the code you can see, and it will show the alert message as eyes are closed or eyes are open. So now if you can see, if you run a program, it will show the camera window and my face and the status of the eye, whether it is closed or open. It is showing. So this project has many applications and can provide a solution in many areas. Thank you.